Hello everyone, Carol here. Welcome to my channel where I talk about my home decluttering and organization app, the Everspruce app. And so here I talk about how to use my app. I give tips and tricks and how to help you declutter and organize your home. So if you like my videos, please click the like button and the subscribe button and the bell notification so you are notified every time I put a new video out. So I know it's been a while since my last video, but I've been working on some new features for the app that I'm so excited to share with you today. So a couple of subscribers have asked for these two new features. They were great ideas. I was so happy that I was able to incorporate it into the app. And so now it's live and ready to go. And I'm ready to talk about it and share with you what these two new features are and how it can help you get more organized using the Everspruce app. So also I wanted to say, if any of you have any ideas how to make the app better, I am always listening. My goal is to make the most efficient, effective organization app out there for everybody to use. And so I am always listening and welcome ideas. And if I feel like it's a great idea, that I will definitely try to get it into development and make it live for everybody. So if you have any ideas, please comment below or shoot me an email and I can see if I can make it happen. Okay, so the two new features that I have added to the Everspruce app is one, you can now check out boxes, and two, you can add tags while you're in batch mode. Okay, so let's go over these two new features now. So first, go ahead and log into the Everspruce app. And then you want to go to boxes and then just pick any box that you want to check out, that you're moving to a different location. For whatever reason, you need to check out these boxes. So I'm just going to do one for an example. So let's just do this one. And so you can see now under the photo, it says checked out. So just click on the button on the right, and then you'll get a note that the box is now checked out. And so what I like to do when I check something out, I like to go to the edit button and say edit entry. And then under description, I put a little note to myself, like who has this box? Where did I move this box? The reason why it's checked out. So I like to put a little note to myself. So when I look for that box, I know where it is, I know who has it, for whatever reason why I checked it out, it is noted with this box item. So that for me gives me peace of mind that I don't have to think about it when I'm looking for this box. So that's easily done. So the second new feature that we've added to the Everspruce app is now you can add tags while you're in batch mode. So that saves you tons of time. Before this feature, when you added an item, you had to go back to the item and then be able to add your tags. But now while you're in batch mode and adding items into the Everspruce app, you can do the tags at the same time. So I find this being more efficient when adding items. So here I have two items on my task list that I need to do a description for. So we're gonna click on one. And so I can give you an example. And then here on the left corner, you can see the tag. And then so now I can write here and now I can do all my tags I want to do for this item. And then I just save, and then you can see here the 3 tags that I use. Click save, and that one's done. So let's do the second item. Go through one more example. Okay. Do the description real quick, do my tags. There. All my tags are noted on top. I have my descriptions, and now I save the item. There. So I go back to home and items, and there you can see that the tags are now associated with those items. So more efficient to do it this way instead of the previous way of going back and forth. So this is definitely a more efficient way to add items and using the tag feature. So I'm really, really excited that that is now done and all of you can use it. So that's my latest tips and tricks video for the Everspruce app. I hope you found it useful and will be able to use these 2 new features when you're organizing your home. I know times are different now, and just a little reminder to stay positive, productive, and keep a good mindset on getting through these days. We're all in this together, so just stay positive out there. So happy organizing, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching my Everspruce tips and tricks video. For more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow Everspruce on Instagram and download the Everspruce app in the App Store. Links down below.